Howdy folks, welcome to Happy Trails Hiking. Kay and I are at Lost Valley Trail today.
And Matt, today we are collaborating with Shawn and Marianne from PANICd Paranormal History.
Huh. Well, that's pretty cool, but you know, I think they said something about like Hollywood theme for this thing.
Oh,
this,
shoot. Yeah.
This isn't quite the right set. That's better.
Welcome to our Hollywood dinner party. To get us started tonight as we welcome you into our home, we'd like to present you with a cocktail. Our bartender, Matt, is going to take care of those for you.
Alright folks, our first drink this evening is going to be for the most important people at the party, the designated drivers. So this is a classic Shirley Temple. It's very simple. We're going to take a glass, we've got some ice. It's basically going to be a flavored soda. A little bit of Sprite in our glass. We're going to add some grenadine. Give it a little bit of cherry flavor. Maybe we need a little bit more Sprite. That's kind of a small drink. Then we'll give it a garnish. Add a slice of lemon to the edge of our glass. And the cherry. And there you have it. Drink number 2 for a Hollywood party is, interestingly, the Manhattan. This is a classic bourbon drink. So we're going to start out with 1 serving of your favorite bourbon. If you go over, that's okay, just don't rip anybody off. We're going to do half a shot of sweet vermouth. We're going to grab a dash of bitters. Add the cherry. Give it a quick stir. There you go. Manhattan. Next up, the Marilyn Monroe. We're going to start with apple brandy. We'll do about half a shot. Might have been a little bit more than half, but it's in that ballpark. We're going to go with a little grenadine. We'll add the bubbly champagne. And a double cherry. Okay, finally, the White Russian. We're going to start with our coffee liqueur. We're going to do a little less than an ounce. Next up is the vodka. We're going to go for a little bit more than an ounce, maybe an ounce and a half. And our cream, we're going to go for an ounce on this one.
So if you're coming to our house for a dinner party, we assume that you also would like something to eat. Tonight, I'm going to be making Dean Martin's Burgers and Bourbon. So the instructions say to have a pound of ground beef and a heavy frying pan. So you'll want to mix the meat, handling lightly, just enough to make 4 burgers. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. So we've got our heavy frying pan. I'm gonna add some butter in just to make sure that the beef doesn't stick. And it says to have a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and sprinkle it on the bottom of the pan. I'm only going to do 1 burger for right now so that Matt can eat his dinner. It then says 4 minutes per side. So my 4 minutes is up. We're gonna add salt to this side and flip it over. So Marianne is making our side dishes, but Matt's main dish is ready. We can't forget the most important part of Dean Martin's Burgers and Bourbon. You have to have 1 chilled shot glass and some chilled bourbon. Now we're ready. Sorry to interrupt your reading, honey, but dinner's ready.
Thanks, sweetie.
You're welcome. Remember, Marianne's making the rest of it.
Okay. That's really good. Thank you.
You're welcome, sweetheart. Don't forget to go find out about the rest of our menu tonight over at PANICd Paranormal History. Shawn and Marianne have a great rest of our menu for you.
Thanks for joining us for the dinner party this evening.
Cheers! You will find the recipes from this evening's dinner in the description box below. Until next time, this is Kay and Matt from Happy Trails Hiking. Thanks for watching.